Hi, I'm Mark Polson and I run Perception Drones. My prime business is surveying, mapping, inspections. We've recently got into thermographic analysis for solar properties. So at the start of my business, I went through Breakthrough with Unlocking Potential, which was really good. It gave me the insight into business life and how I could, sort of move myself along. Following on from that, I went to Future Focus. In the back end of last year, I received a grant to buy some new equipment, which has allowed us to break into the thermal imaging sector. We've been working with Agritech to provide a new service to Cornwall. This will be crop analysis and inspections, and the Agritech program has again helped me from the start to the finish. It's been a long process, but at the end of the day it's been really worth it, and yeah, this year is going to be interesting, and hopefully we can offer a whole load of new services to Cornwall and beyond. So throughout my journey, the BDMs have always been there for me. The beauty of the program is it's not a standard off-the-shelf program, it's tailored to your needs. So I've had Graham through the Breakthrough, which is brilliant, and then moving on to Future Focus, Jamie and Andy have been there to basically hold my hand through everything. They've helped me all the way through, like I said, from start to finish, and they've always been there for me. It's been a relief to have someone that isn't directly involved in the business, but will give you sound advice and honest advice, and then it's up to you to take that or not.